Welcome to Bonifacio Global City, the most modern, vibrant and walkable neighborhood in Manila. Let's take a walk tonight and see what makes BGC so special.
Good evening everyone, I'm here in BGC, Bonifacio Global City. You either love it or you hate it, but you know what? I like it. I love it because there's so many different shops and in the evening it's always so well lit up. So let's go for a little walk.
Whether you're looking for iconic local spots like Cafe Mary Grace or just want to relax under the illuminated skyline, BGC's open-air green spaces feel like an oasis right in the middle of the city.
On my Manila trip, Mary Grace has been stalking me. I've literally bumped into her nearly everywhere I've been. So I was told BGC was based on a US city. I can't remember which city, but that's why the layout is the way it is. Hence everything's like square blocks.
As you walk down the high street, you'll find international dining, bubble tea spots and wide, fully accessible pedestrian walkways that make exploring at night effortless.
It's really good to see how disabled friendly it is around here as well. This is a pretty cool fountain, right? Whenever I come here, there's always something new. They really do put a lot of effort into this place.
One of the coolest things about BGC is its public art and water features scattered throughout the promenade. Every corner has a unique setup lit up after dark.
You got all the posh cars here like Lamborghini. Porsche has even made a guest appearance. And here we have Bentley.
BGC isn't just about dining and parks, it's also home to luxury flagship stores and high-end automotive showrooms like Porsche and Lamborghini.
And right behind me is Jordan Manila for all you Jordan shoes fans.
From quirky street art to turf BGC where locals catch late-night football games, there's always energy moving through these streets.
That explains what's on top.
There's no shortage of cool spots to grab a quick treat or just sit back and people watch. Even the storefronts and walls around here add a fun burst of local colour to the walk.
Just gonna try and head into the Mega World Mall before it closes. It closes around 10 p.m. and right now it's like 9:40.
Over at Uptown Mall, the atmosphere shifts with vibrant nightlife, multi-level dining and colourful fountain displays right outside.
The last time I was here, I'm sure those letters were changing colour. I think I've made it just about in time. So that's the only footage you're going to get in the mall because I've been told you can't film in there. Has anyone else been told the same thing? Let me know.
BGC truly offers a world-class blend of safety, style and entertainment in the heart of Metro Manila.
So guys, behind me is actually a live portal where you can see people from different countries in real time. So I hope you enjoyed that video on BGC. I did another video previously, so watch that one if you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. I've got some more adventures, so stay tuned. Bye for now.